Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Orca Torch 18650 USB battery. So this is a rechargeable battery in the size of a 18650 battery, which is becoming very popular size nowadays. But instead of requiring a separate cradle and sort of charger and plug and everything, this has a unique feature where you can fit a micro USB cable into the top of it, plug that into a USB or a powered USB port, and that's going to recharge the battery. So at the top of it, it has two tiny little LEDs, a red and a green one. So these are going to tell you whether it's charging and fully charged. Then simply disconnect it, fit it into your dive torch, and you're ready to go. So this has 3400 milliamp hours, which is a decent size for a battery like this. 18650 is definitely becoming one of the popular sizes of rechargeable batteries due to its size and its overall stamina whilst sort of discharging. All in all, it's a very handy and very practical rechargeable battery. So this is the Orca Torch 18650 USB battery. Thanks for watching and safe diving.